Hi everybody, welcome back. This is my sister-in-law's BMW. As you can see, it's got a little bit of a scratch here, and we are going to take what paintless dent removal tools we've got to try and undo this this damage. Oh my god. So this is what happens when you go up against a concrete bollard. You know, those pillars on the ground. So enjoy. Alright, welcome back. We weren't able to work on the dented panel the other day because of weather, but now we're back at our spot. Here's our trusty oak tree that will serve as our immobile object. And even just after a quick light cleaning with alcohol, we rubbed off all the paint from the concrete bollard, the white paint, and all that remains are scuff marks, which are the deeper grooves that's been cut into the paint. So we won't be able to clean that off without serious buffing. Anyway, so we have our surface exposed, and we're gonna commence with our panel pull. All right, so the tricky part about this job is this. We have a curved, kind of like a paneling at the front of the wheel well, and it transitions into this, and there's a ridge here and a valley here, and they run forward. So we're gonna have to somehow pull this up in phases. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna mount our pulling tabs. Before going to the tree, I'm probably gonna get the general elevation to its previous level first, and then work on softening the feathering and the slope. I can't talk this morning. I don't know what the hell's going on. All right, thanks. All right, so we've hooked up we've glued the panel, and we've hooked up our come along to the oak tree, and we're gonna commence with the pull. And I figure instead of doing time lapse, it'll probably be better if we do like an actual shoot, so that we can see what's going on. I'm going to exert pressure onto the come along to the point where it'll pull the panel out for the most part, and then I'm going to hammer it to relieve the stress on the panels. The glue pulled out. It's too hot out, so we're gonna re-glue. So the first glue tab came off. I don't think I have enough glue on there, and also it's kind of hot. So we put on a second set, but the second set we're orienting it in a vertical pattern so that way we can kind of exert different forces at different points in pulling this out. I don't know if you could tell, but it hasn't made much of a difference because it went back in when we released the stress, because the steel wasn't fully relaxed. We're waiting for the tabs to set and the glue. We could also work on this spot. This spot is independent of this quarter panel right here, so we can put a little dab of glue thingy and try to pull this out. Okay guys, end of the day, kind of spent the day, well, whenever it wasn't raining, fiddling with this little dent. And I think we made some progress in bringing out the dent, but this is an art form, man. So I'm just gonna ask my sister-in-law to just take it into a paintless dent removal place have the professionals do it. It's helped a little bit. We pulled out probably 50% of it, but this is much too advanced for a DIY project, so you know, yeah. So there it is. My advice is take it to a professional. I have all the tools, but it doesn't really matter. You know, this is it's art. You know, you can't master art on the weekends. All right, hope this video inspires you and helps you in whatever issues life throw at you. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.